AG12, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amendment right here, and basically what these are is some storage bag organizers. So if you guys want to put like your clothes, your pants, or whatever inside to organize everything, you definitely can. The one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And basically for the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 3 of these. And these are the 90 liters. And we see the one that we got right here is a gray color, but they do have this available in like black, blue, and some other colors as well. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take out the product, this is basically what the product looks right here. So like I mentioned, the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 3 of these. You can see 1 right here, 2 right here, and then 3 right there. And basically for all 3 of these right here are the same thing. So I'm just going to take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like, since they're all the same. And you see in the front part there is a clear window, so that way you can see everything inside. And that way you guys know what you guys put into each one of these organizer bags. And basically on the side right here, they do give you guys a handle option. And same thing for other side as well. So that way if you guys need to carry around, you definitely can. And we see the way how they designed the pattern on here definitely looks very cool and very unique as well. But definitely when you guys feel the fabric on here, it definitely feels like a high quality fabric. So basically for this product here, you can see it's actually very spacious. So they mentioned for this bag right here, if you guys want to, you can definitely put 1 king size comforter, or 6 blanket, or 35 clothes inside. And the way how you guys open it is by opening up the zipper on the side right here. Alright, so once you guys open up the inside, this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys feel the inner layer here, it definitely feels like this very soft fabric on here compared to the outside. The outside is more rough. But basically when you open up the inside, it's actually very spacious. So you can definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. But basically for the fabric right here, they mentioned how there's 3 layers of fabric inside. So that way it's actually reinforced and you don't have to worry about the product breaking anytime soon. And they also mentioned the material that they use on here is actually super tough and it's also eco-friendly. And they also mentioned how the actual fabric on here, the material is actually breathable as well. But basically once you guys put like your clothes, your blanket, or whatever inside right here, you could definitely store it like underneath like your bed or somewhere else, which is definitely pretty awesome. So that way everything is all organized and you guys know where everything is with the clear window design on here. But that is basically what the product looks like right here. Let me actually put something inside to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so I just put like 2 blankets inside right here and 1 comforter. Eventually it's actually very spacious. If I want to put a little bit more stuff on top, I definitely can. All I need to do is just squeeze down the comforter. But definitely see this is basically what the product looks like when you guys put it inside. Let me just zip it up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys zip it up, this is basically what the product looks right here. You can see it's definitely very spacious. In that way you guys can definitely organize everything into your bag. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the strap option to actually hold it, you can definitely do that on here. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys actually use it. And when you guys are done using it, or if you guys don't need to use it, you can definitely take everything out and just fold it back into the original shape that I showed you guys earlier, which is like this one right here. So it's definitely really compact and portable, so you can bring it with you guys anywhere and use it anytime. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to come unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys want to be more organized and organize all like your blanket, your clothes, and put it underneath like a bed or something. Then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.